driving license suspended. Thank you so much.
She hasn't written them up lately. I can't say. Just one moment.
Driving license suspended. Thank you so much.
Sorry, I'm almost done. Works a little bit different. Okay, here we go. We're going now. All right, you need me to get folks in the breakout rooms?
Co-host.
Oh, okay. Okay, if you want to start putting invitations to people who are named, and then I'll help you with the ones who are. Don't put Brittany Taylor in yet, or Keelan Taylor. All right, on the Motorola red t-shirt with white writing on it, please unmute. Yes, you. Come on, unmute for me, and I need your name. Thank you.
Johnetta Thomas.
And do you know what time you were scheduled for today, Ms. Thomas?
Yes, ma'am, 8:30.
Thank you. And then I've got someone on an iPhone. Ma'am, I just asked you to unmute you. Yep, you just looked up. Please unmute, give me a name.
Oh, can you hear me?
Ryan Phillips.
Yes.
Oh, Marie Taylor.
Okay, I'll be back with you, Miss Taylor. Thank you. And then the other one was Brian. Was it Brian Phillip?
Ryan, RYAIN.
PHILLIP?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, now you. Marie, what was the last name? Taylor?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. All right, guys. Yep, there's going to be a little bit of a wait this morning. Please be patient. On the Samsung device, asking you to unmute. I need a name, please.
Evan Pringle.
Not phone number ending in 3607. Please be silent, please. I've got someone on a Samsung device that just unmuted. I need your name.
Pringle.
Sir, I can't. You're saying it too fast. What's the first name?
Evan
Evan. Okay, thank you. And then what's the last name, please?
Pringle.
Pringle. Thank you. Okay, and then we've got phone number ending in 3607. I need a name, please.
Good morning, Edward Pearson.
Thank you. Okay, and then is it who's the phone number ending in 1062, please? Phone number ending in 1062. I need you to give me a name, please. All right, I've got Zeri Pitts. Good morning, Zeri Pitts Sr. Please go ahead and unmute.
Yeah. All right, Grand Rising.
Good morning, Mr. Pitts. All right. So I've got ticket SP 183-22811 and 813. These are both City versus Zeri Pitts. You've got failure to stop at a stop sign, no proof of insurance. You'd like to set this for a bench trial?
Yes.
Oh, you have a number of other tickets. Okay, that's what they're doing here. All right. So all other matters as well on today's docket for People versus Zeri Pitts. Nice that you're getting in and getting all of these taken care of at once.
Yeah.
So that's great. All right, so let's get you your bench trial date. They're going to see, because some of these are old, they're going to see who shows up. Okay, Madam Clerk's going to give us a date. Give me just a minute.
Okay.
All right, April 15th, 9:30 a.m., Mr. Pitt.
Okay, thank you.
We'll see you back then. Okay, bye-bye. Then we've got some other folks need to go into breakout rooms.
Tatiana Tyner, you should be in room 12, and Karan Terry, you should be in room 11. You need to look at your phone and see if you can get yourself in those breakout rooms.
We have a very heavy docket today, guys. So if you're coming out because you're tired of waiting, it's just going to make us take longer. If you've got an emergency that causes you to need to leave court, then you need to let us know that. All right. Is it Kaylin Taylor?
Yes, that's what I wanted to talk to you. I had Zoom court with my son last week, so it's popping up his name. I don't know how to put mine on there.
Oh, okay. I'll get you renamed. What's your name?
Brittany, Britney.
Okay, thank you. All right, I thought we were going to be dealing with something more complicated. That's
No, I
easy.
just can't switch the name.
Okay, all right. I'm going to lower your hand, and then you're going to get an invitation to the breakout room, okay?
Okay.
All right. Can you send her to breakout? Phone number ending in 1062. I need a name, please. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to remove them. I'll have to call back in because I can't get them to respond. I've tried. All right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Traffic Court. I am Judge Ramsey-Heath. You are all going to go into breakout rooms to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. I will give you fair warning. There are 2 attorneys working today. It's not too bad yet. We've got 16 breakout rooms for 2 attorneys. We've got 175 cases on the docket, so it's really not too bad today. But there will be a little bit of a wait. Use the time that you're waiting, please, to gather documents if you need to, like registration or insurance, or if you got your tail light fixed, or you got your tinted windows fixed, and you've got the proof of those things. Go ahead and use the time to gather those. What is that noise?
It's from another court.
It's very irritating. All right. I have a device that just says Daquan. Speak up. Give me a full name, please.
That's the Dequan Porterfield, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Porter.
Yes, Dequan Porterfield.
Are you saying Porterfield?
Yes, Porterfield. Porterfield.
Okay. Mr. Porterfield, you're sitting, as far as we can see, in the dark, so you'll want to get some light on you, please. I'm just talking to the dark, okay? All right, and then is it Marcus Turner? Is that your name, sir? Okay, very good. Then I've got a lady with me. It just says Zoom user. I can't tell if your t-shirt is white or pink, but you've got something colorful on over it. What's your name?
Cherie Paisley.
Thank you. See, that is that's that phone number making that noise, I think. Oh, you were here yesterday, Miss Paisley.
Yes.
Hello again. All right. And you were here for trial, right? And who do you have?
Yeah, it's for a trial. It's not it's all
Have an
time.
attorney with you outside of court?
No.
Okay. I thought an attorney checked in on Paisley yesterday. And why isn't she showing up on my docket today? What time are you set for, Miss Paisley?
8:30.
8:30, okay. Miss Paley, I'm gonna put you up in room 3 since you're here for trial. Go ahead and join, please.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And then the rest of you are gonna get invitations to breakout rooms. Thank you.
We don't have Henderson.
We don't have what?
Henderson.
Oh, Jawan Henderson, good morning. Please unmute.
Good morning.
Are you an officer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what case are you here on?
I have Taylor.
I have a lot of Taylors. I need a
Oh,
first
I got it. I'm
initial.
sorry. I got you. Hold on. Give me one. I'm sorry. It is Marie Taylor.
Gotcha. Thank you. She's here. Okay.
All right.
Go ahead and get you into room 1 so you can speak with the city attorney, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. Where's Marie Taylor? She's here. I checked her in. Where'd she go? There she is. They need an SOS on Ronald Polk. Looking for an offer on Kayla Jenkins. Oh, where's my phone? Get our offers. Oh, there's Miss Horn. All right, you can see where they're looking for offers, Miss Horn. One on Kayla Jenkins in room 6.
Okay, I'll take a look at all the rooms. Can we do Mr. Lands?
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
His client is in room 9.
Okay, you may need to go bring her out. I'll try to bring her out. I still have phone number ending in 1062 with no name. Why is Miss Jenkins out?
I know. I was just I just looked at it
Kayla
like, where is she?
Jenkins, why are you out of the breakout room?
My name is Samuel Petway.
Because I was trying to figure out my attorney left out the breakout room. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
So they came out to get an offer for you. You need to go back to your breakout room. The city attorney is reviewing your case now. Please return yourself to the breakout room.
Okay, can you tell me how?
I don't know how because I don't have your device. You have to look at your device and see where it's located. Maybe down towards the bottom says return to breakout room or leave breakout. I don't know. All right. All right, let's call Attorney Lands Matter, please. You'll have to wait, ma'am.
And there is an offer, Your Honor. It's on the docket sheet because she's the first one.
Hey, what's the offer? I'll just place it in the room.
Okay, the last 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 failure to display, 2 improper plates, and 1 allowing. And dismiss.
Is the allowing a straight or is it a delayed?
It's a straight.
Okay, thank you. I'll just put that in the room, ma'am.
Okay, I could type it. I wasn't sure how much room I had for it though.
That's okay. I did it.
Okay.
I got it going.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Judge.
I don't know who Mr. Land's client is, so I could call it, but I don't.
She's in room 9.
Mr. Land, do you have the ability to go get your client? Because I don't.
Your Honor, I just want to ask you something. She's dismissing the misdemeanor, but we pleading to impeding for a civil infraction. Do I even need her?
You don't need her, but she's sitting here, and I don't want her just sitting here in a breakout room while her case goes on, and she doesn't even know it.
I'll call her afterwards, Your Honor, if that's okay with you.
That's fine. All right.
Okay.
Go ahead. I'm going to just broadcast and see if I can get her out here. By asking for help, and that makes me unable to do what I need to do. Or I can try to move you to her breakout room so you can let her know and then move you back. Because I'm here, I can't do it. Okay. And I really badly, if she's just sitting here waiting for a case to be called, which I'm calling, and she's sitting right here. So I'm going to try to move you to room 9 so that you can just go let her know, please, that we're ready for her matter.
Okay.
And that thank you. All right, Attorney Waldman, I'll be right with you. Which Taylor are you here on, please?
Marie Taylor. I put the ticket number in my, I don't know if it can just see.
Do you know where she is? You need to bring her, go get her. She is in room. Do you have a plea or what are we doing?
I was waiting to see if the officer showed up.
The officer is here.
Okay, I'm happy to discuss that with whomever.
You should go back to room 2 so that you can speak with the city attorney. She'll come there to speak with you now with the officer.
My
Okay.
bad, there was a notification that said pop back in. I apologize.
Thank you. All right, ready on Dynasty Tobias, Madam Clerk, whenever you are.
Dynasty Deanne Tobias, SP 1796238, counts 1 and 2. Drive while license suspended and holding or using a mobile electronic device while operating a vehicle.
Thank you. Attorney Horn?
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor.
Thank
Good
you,
morning,
Attorney
Your Honor.
Land.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ivan Lamb, P65879, appearing on behalf of Dynasty Tobias, who's present on the screen, Your Honor. We have no objection to holding these proceedings by Zoom. Thank you. Ms. Tobias,
Ms.
please state
Tobias,
your full
please
name.
state your name. Thank you, Attorney Land.
Deanne Tobias.
Thank you. All right, resolution today, Mr. Lamb.
Yes, Your Honor, with this court's approval, the people have agreed to dismiss the driving with license suspended and add an account of impeding traffic for the using the cell phone device. And my client would like to avail herself to that offer by pleading responsible to impeding traffic. Thank you.
And Your Honor, just a minor correction for the record. We're actually amending it
Okay, I'm
from
sorry.
the drive on sale to blockading traffic, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Is there a benefit in that to Ms. Tobias?
No.
Ms. Tobias, unless you know the law better than the rest of us,
sorry,
I'm asking your attorney and your attorney. So I've got cell phone ticket, which is usually $100 and no points. I've got impeding, which is $175, no points.
Yes.
I don't know if one reports out and one doesn't. I'm really just asking.
And
Yes,
Your
it
Honor,
does,
I'm
Your
not
Honor.
sure if this is the one where you get one strike and then there's one
It's getting
penalty,
higher and higher.
and then a second strike, you might get your license
Okay,
suspended.
so she gets to keep
So-
that first one in her pocket for now.
Correct.
And it does abstract. That's how they know about it, Your Honor. And my client
Thank you.
has to pay the extra 75 for the impeding, Your Honor. Thank you. Thank you for
Okay,
asking.
very good.
Yes.
Thank you. All right, so that is the benefit. It doesn't extract as the other one would. All right, so then Ms. Tobias, that means you are admitting to impeding traffic, a 0-point offense that does not report out to your insurance. You would like to accept that offer?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and that just means you are admitting to impeding traffic, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. $175, Attorney Land, 60 days, okay?
Thank you.
All right, have a great day. 60 days, Ms. Tobias. If you can't get it paid in the 60 days, at least give the cashiers on the first floor a down payment, and that way you keep your deal in place, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Your Honor, for getting on early. I really appreciate you. Take care.
Sure, of course. Thank you. All right, Kayla Jenkins, I see you are back.
Yes, because I don't really know what's going on.
And Ms. Jenkins, if we do this again, you're going to have to come in person. I'm going to tell you right now, we have a very heavy docket today. And every
Okay.
time you come out because you don't know what's going on, I have to stop the docket. We're now
Okay.
at number 2. What I told you was the city attorney was reviewing your file so that she could make an offer to the attorney. Once the
Okay.
attorney has and sees that offer, they will come back to discuss it with you. But if you're not in the breakout room when they come back, and they probably have, because you're in one of the higher numbers, they're going to skip you. And then you
Okay.
have to wait. They come back again. You need to go
Okay.
to the breakout room and you need to stay there until they come back. Lordy.
The offers aren't there.
All right, we're ready on Charles Taylor Jr. Who they asking for an offer on now?
Tangent, and the offer is a 3-month delayed sentence, so I just resent them the offers.
Okay, I'll just put up on cancel offer equals 3-month delay.
Yeah.
Who is that that's doing that? Who is just in 10? Who's in the evens? Is it Barrow? I'm gonna move him out. We've got Charles Taylor ready, it looks like. Charles Taylor Jr. Whenever you're ready, Mr. Taylor, please unmute. Are you appropriately dressed for court? You'll need to turn your camera on. Charles Taylor.
Yes, I'm here.
Thank you. Attorney Barrow, you should have the offers in your email. I've also put them in the room names as I see you asking for them, but you should have the offers.
I just got the email right now. I think it might have went to my old email, Judge.
Okay, all right,
Thank
thank you. Just wanted to let you know, thank you. Ready
Yes,
when
thank
you
you.
are on Charles Taylor Jr., Madam Clerk.
Is this Charles Edward Taylor,
Yes.
Mr. Terry, you were previously in a breakout room. Which one?
Room 11.
Go back, please, and wait for the attorney.
okay, for Charles Edward Taylor Jr., 21475-950, counts 1, 2, and 3, driving while license not valid, unregistered motor vehicle, uninsured motor vehicle, and SP 1042057, count 1, drove while license not valid.
Thank you. Good morning again, Mr. Taylor. Please state your name for the record.
Charles Edward Taylor Jr.
Thank you. Defense counsel has reviewed all of your valid documents at this time, and we verified the validity of your license with the Secretary of State. Counsel has made a motion to dismiss your tickets on that basis, which I am happy to grant. Your tickets are dismissed. Good job getting all those things together. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Phone number ending in 1062. We'll try this again, but you'll have to unmute. What's Ronald Polk charged with?
Samuel Petway.
Thank you. Mr. Petway, did you leave the breakout room?
No, I've never been in the breakout room.
Yes, you were, because I moved you there myself and watched you go. So I'm going to send you again.
Okay.
Please do not hang up and do not disconnect. The attorneys will come there to look for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Drive while license not valid and his license is valid.
All right, let's get Mr. Polk on out here. Mr. Polk, good morning.
Good morning.
We're going to go ahead and get your matter called whenever you're ready, Madam Clerk.
Ronald Eugene Polk, SP 1066371, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license.
Thank you, Mr. Polk. I'm not sure what's going on with your camera. Please go ahead and state your name for the record.
Ronald Polk.
Thank you. Defense, we have verified the validity of your license with the Secretary of State. That was your sole charge today. Defense counsel has made a motion to dismiss on that basis, which I am happy to grant. Your ticket is dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you, Yana.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. All right, Ms. Parham Jenkins, are we ready for yours?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Thank you. All right, I have ticket number SP 168-63861 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Kayla Parham Jenkins. Ma'am, please state your name for the record.
Kayla Parham Jenkins.
Thank you. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license, 2 counts of improper plates, and 1 count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Everything else would be dismissed, and there are several tickets that would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else? Get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
You understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Give me just a moment so I can put these together. Raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true that on September 9th of 2025 in the area of Madison Avenue and John R. that you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle?
Yes.
Is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Now, is it true that on November 13th of 2025, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Okay. Is it also true that you did not have proper plates on the vehicle at that time?
Yes,
And that is because the vehicle was not registered. Is that correct?
correct.
Thank you. So we've got one allowing, sorry, two improper plates. Two improper plates, one allowing, one FTD. Okay. All right, I'm going to tell you your fines. These fines need to be paid within 60 days, or you may go see the cashiers at the courthouse on the first floor and give them a down payment that they're going to ask you for within 60 days. As long as you do one of those two things, this deal stays in place and everything that got dismissed stays dismissed, okay?
Okay.
All right, on your first improper plates, that's 190. The failure to display on that same ticket, I can drop to 100. So 190 and 100. And then on the other ticket, you're allowing is 190. I can reduce the improper plates to 100. So you have two fines of 190, two fines of 100. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
All right. Have a great day.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And then looks ready on Marie Taylor when you're ready, Madam Clerk. Yeah, please.
For Marie Patricia Taylor, SP 1871628, count 1, 1 to 5 miles per hour over posted speed.
Thank you. Attorney Waldman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexander Waldman on behalf of Ms. Taylor. We've reached a plea agreement of impeding traffic. And so that's something we're agreeable to with the city.
All right, thank you. That impeding traffic is 175, 0 points, does not report out to the insurance. The original charge, again, 1 to 5 over posted speed, so it also saves you a point. All right, Ms. Taylor, you are admitting to the impeding traffic at this time, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, 175, 60 days to get it paid or get on a payment plan, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thanks,
Thank
you
you.
too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Danae Phillips, good morning. And then I've got Tatiana Tyner, who's been waiting as well, please. All right, Ms. Phillips, I've got ticket number P1573104 and all other related matters on today's docket to Danae Lachelle Phillips. Please state your name for the record, ma'am.
I'm Danae Lachelle Phillips.
Thank you. Okay, looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, all other matters being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone promise you anything else get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Is it true that on January 9th of 2020, you were in the area or that you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle in the area of Hubble and Elmira in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Plea is accepted. Fine is $190. You have 60 days to get it paid or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day. Looks like Karan Terry's going to be looking for a trial date. Let me know if that's going to be a different date, please, Madam Clerk.
This is the date we're using for tonight.
All right, Mr. Terry, good morning again to you.
Good morning.
We're going to get you a bench trial date. Okay, thank you. Looks like this is ticket number SP 1850471, City versus Karan Terry. Please state your name, Mr. Terry.
Karan Terry.
Thank you. We're going to set this matter for a bench trial. Bench trial date is going to be April the 14th at 9:30 a.m.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you back then. Have a great day.
You as well. Thank you.
All right, now looks like I have Tatiana Tyner. Tatiana Tyler, please unmute.
Yes, I'm here.
Thank you. Are you dressed for court? I'll need you to start your video.
Okay.
Thank you. All right. I've got ticket number C027761, City versus Tatiana Tyner. This one for, looks like I've got a driving while license suspended, a speeding, 10 over, and a no insurance. You're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display with, that's the reduction from the driving without a license or while license suspended. The other ones, the speeding and no insurance, would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Is it true that on February 11th of 2025, in the area of Myers and Midland, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
And that is in the city of Detroit, correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Fine is $190. You have 60 days to get it paid. If you can't pay it within the 60 days, you must at least give the cashiers on the first floor a down payment and start on a longer term payment plan within the 60 days to keep your deal intact. Okay?
Okay.
Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Ryan Phillips. Good morning again, Ms. Phillips. Calling ticket number P1119983, City versus Ryan Deborah Phillips. Ms. Phillips, please state your name for the record.
Ryan Phillips.
Thank you. The only charge here is for no insurance. Defense counsel has verified that you do have valid insurance at this time and made a motion to dismiss your ticket on that basis, which I am happy to grant. Your ticket is dismissed. Have a great day.
Thank you. You also, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bye-bye. I know we've got folks in the waiting room. I'm coming. Yep, I remember Mr. Patterson because I remember his screen. Okay, you got your SOS there. Got that one there. Okay, good morning. Welcome back to traffic court for some of you, and welcome for the first time for others. Omega Palmer, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm gonna go ahead and get you into breakout room. Do you know what time you were scheduled to be here today?
9:15.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Have you been speaking with an attorney outside of court at all?
No.
All right, thank you. I think you should have. That might be an issue. We'll figure that out in just a minute, okay? We scheduled you for 9:15. Sign that I tried to assign counsel to you. I'm going to put you in room 4. I'll be right back with you in a minute. Go ahead and hit join for me.
All right, thank you.
Donis Patterson, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
What time are you supposed to be here today, Mr. Patterson?
I believe I'm early. I'm supposed to be here, I think, at 1.
At 1:30 or 1? Okay, let's take a look. That would be strange because you've been here before, so. Nope, 9:15. Uh-oh, where did he just go? He did? Darn it. I did that. I didn't mean to.
Same thing. All of it's just a request. No attorney has been assigned.
Mr. Patterson, I'm going to put you in a breakout room.
Okay, no problem.
Go ahead. Fine. All right. Then I have Levon's iPhone. Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your full name, please?
My name is Tiara Trescott.
T-I, how do you spell Tiara?
Tiara.
And then Trescott, T-R-E, I'm sorry.
Yep, TRES, V as in Victor, ANT.
Ah, that is not what I thought you were saying. So I'm glad you spelled that for me, like Ralph Trescott. Okay, Trescott.
Yep.
All right. Then I've got Darius P. Darius P, I need a full name, please. Darius P, I need a full name, please. You need to unmute and give me a full name, please. Can you see what time Ms. Tresvant was scheduled for?
Can you hear me now?
I can. What's your full name, sir?
Darius Paschal.
Spell Paschal, please.
P-A-S-C-H-A-L-L.
Thank you. You know what time are you scheduled for court today, Mr. Paschal?
I think 9 o'clock. I might be early. Well, no, I'm on time.
8:45, Mr. Paschal. Mr. Paschal, do you have proof of insurance today? Just yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna just keep you here with me for just a moment. Let's see, what's Miss Tresman got?
The case of this next superhuman, a lot further than you believe.
Mr. Paschal, I'm gonna begin a chat with you. You can send me a screenshot of your insurance. I just started a chat with you, Mr. Paschal. Please send me back with a screenshot of your insurance. Transmant is here for, she's got, let's see, license, insurance, registration. Okay. They'll just need an SOS on her.
So,
one moment. Ms. Tresman, I'm going to go ahead and send you to a breakout room. We're going to run your stuff with the Secretary of State, and I'll ask you if you have proof of your other things when they come into your room. There's a little bit of a wait. Just wait for the attorneys. They are coming. Room 24. Ms.
Thank
Tresman.
you.
On the Motorola, please unmute. I need a full name.
Juwan Perry.
Mr. Perry, you've already been in a breakout room. Why are you back out?
I just actually logged in. I don't know what this
Okay,
form is.
all right. I thought you were here. Perry, P like Paul, Erry.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And do you know what time you were scheduled for court today?
9:15.
Thank you. All right, I'm gonna get you into a breakout room, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and hit join when you see it, please. Mr. Pizzamenti, good morning to you. Okay, very good, Mr. Paschal. I've received of insurance. Good morning. All right, let's go to Mr. Pizzamenti. Do you have counsel that you're working with outside of court?
No, ma'am.
And what time are you scheduled for today?
9:15.
Thank you. Didn't I assign counsel?
Yes.
All right, we'll just see if the attorneys check in. All right, Mr. Pizzamenti, I'm going to send you to a breakout room.
Thank you.
Room 7.
Okay.
All right, would you, Officer Turner, which case are you here on, please?
Good morning. I'm here on Tommy Lee Thomas for trespassing.
Thank you. All right, I'm going to get you into breakout room number 1 so you can speak with city attorney about the case, although I don't know if that person is here yet.
Okay.
You're going to room 1. Go ahead and hit join, please.
Thank you.
When you have a chance, can you hand me the Paschal file or call it?
Okay, this is just file. He has 3 in the default too, but there's still paper.
Okay.
Like, he can show proof.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Paschal, looks like you've got a few others for expired plates and registration. Did you take care of that too?
yes, I did, Your Honor.
Okay, you're gonna have to either give me a screenshot or you can start your video and hold it up to the screen so I can see it.
What would you like to see?
Your proof of your registration. Do you have that?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Just hold it up to the screen, please. I'll be right with you, Mr. Price. I can see you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. All right, Mr. Paschal, I'm waiting for that registration. Where is it?
I'm trying to put my screen.
You can just hold that. Is it on your phone, the registration, or is it just you have the paper? There you go. That's all I need to see. Hold it up for me. Just keep it still, please. Pull back. Perfect. 2026. Okay, you can put that down. Thank you. You can put it down, sir. Thank you. Calling ticket number P1865488 and P1865483, City versus Darius Paschal. Mr. Paschal, please state your name for the record.
Darius Maurice Paschal.
Thank you. All of your tickets have to do with having valid registration or insurance. given the court's review of those proofs this morning, I'm going to go ahead and dismiss these tickets at this time. They are dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Have a good one.
You too. Bye-bye. Okay, I get off of this. There we go. Oh, my screen's doing weird things. There we go. All right, Mr. Price, good morning to you. What time were you scheduled for court today?
Good morning. I was scheduled for 8:30.
Okay, thank you. What is today? The 23rd? 24th? You know, yesterday I think I was writing the 26th. Okay, Mr. Price, I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room right now. An attorney's going to come there to meet with you. Please don't use the help button if you don't need to.
Okay.
Unless you have some kind of emergency that causes you to need to leave court, then of course you can use it or come on back out. Looks like you've got a few tickets here, animal related. So, okay. Mr. Price, I'm going to go ahead and get you into breakout room. You're going to room number 25. Please go ahead and hit join. All right, Miss Paisley is going to come back out. Can I have that Paisley file, please, when you have a moment? All right. Angel Brookins, the device says Angel Brookins. Good morning. I don't have last names with B on my docket, so I need a full name. The device says Angel Brookins. Did you give me the Paisley file?
I apologize. This is my
What's your name, please?
DAJ Taylor. You said you still asleep?
I'm sorry.
DAJ Taylor.
Okay. Okay, I'll come back to you. I'm going to have to figure out how to spell it. All right, on Paisley, Cherie Paisley, good morning. Calling ticket number P1771416, City versus Cherie Paisley. Miss Paisley, please state your name for the record. You're muted. Please unmute first, please. Miss Paisley, I gotta have you on mute. I'm sending you a prompt. Ms. Paisley, you're still muted. May I have the Kiera Tansil file, please? All right, Ms. Paisley, please state your name for the record. Ms. Paisley, can you hear me? I don't know what's going on. At any rate, Ms. Paisley, I'm going to go ahead and dismiss your matter at this time. If you can hear me, please wave at me. Ms. Paisley, oh, she's not connected to audio. Okay, we'll come back to that one.
I'm here.
All right. State your name for the record.
Cherie Paisley.
Thank you. Your case was scheduled for trial today at 8:30 a.m. Officer has failed to appear and failed to notify the court as to the reason for non-appearance. On that basis, your attorney has made a motion to dismiss the case. This case is dismissed without prejudice. It's not the norm for them to refile, but when a case is dismissed without prejudice, they can do so at a later date. If they refile it, you'll come back and see me and we'll get everything back on track again. Okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Have a great day. Bye-bye.
You as well.
All right, then we're going to go to Kiera Tansil. Ms. Tansil, good morning. Please unmute, turn on your camera, state your name. I'm sorry, I just remuted you. Thank you. Go ahead and turn your camera on for me.
It's saying that the host is okay. There you go.
All right.
Good morning.
Good
Kiera
morning.
Cancel.
Good morning. Calling ticket number P1707886, City versus Kiera Tansil. Ms. Tansil, please state your name for the record.
Kiera Cancel.
Thank you. The charge here is violation of parental responsibility. The offer is to a 3-month delayed sentence. I understand you wish to avail yourself of that offer. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
Can you check the status of these, please? And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth. Thank you. Just need an answer, please.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. You're charged with violation of parental responsibility. They're alleging this to have occurred on January 6, 2026 in the area of Minnock and Constance in the city of Detroit. What did you do at that date and location to violate parental responsibility, Ms. Hansen?
Well, I was at home. My daughter was out, which is the reason that the curfew was violated. I did not know she was out past curfew, but I did know that she was not at home. She was supposed to have been at a friend's house. But well, I guess she must have went out after she was at the friend's house. I do not know.
Ask you to wait just a moment. I'm going to have the attorney come out, please. All right. You'll just wait with me for just a moment. I need Marcus Turner's file, please. We need to get a trial date for him. The device that says Angel Brookins, please go ahead and give me the name one more time, sir. And I need you to speak loudly and slowly.
I apologize. D.A.J. Taylor.
Okay, spell D.A.J. for me.
D-E-A apostrophe J-A-Y.
Thank you. Thank you. And do you know what time you were scheduled for court today, Mr. Taylor?
9:30. 9:30.
I'm sorry, 9:30?
9:30. Yeah.
Okay. Is that for trial? Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get you into breakout room so you can meet with an attorney. You're going to room 3. Go ahead and hit join, please. Kamar Todd, yes. Please unmute. Is that your name? Kamar Todd.
Yes, that's my name.
All right. Have you been in a breakout room yet this morning?
Yes, I was in there with no one in there.
Well, can you see what's going on out here? We're very busy, as are the attorneys, trying to get to all of the rooms, which is why we say that in the beginning, because now I'm stopping to talk to you, which I've already done 3 or 4 other times this morning. It makes court take longer. Please go back to your breakout room and wait for the attorneys. I promise they are on their way to you. Okay? Please. All right, on Marcus Turner. Good morning, Mr. Turner. You have quite a few matters on the docket today, one of them being P1864749, but also all other related matters on today's docket related to City versus Marcus Turner. Looks like we're going to get you a bench trial date so that I think they're hoping some of these officers aren't there anymore, and maybe some of those will get dismissed. Basis. Okay, we'll get you a date to come back. Is the regular date okay? There are a lot of cases here.
You know what, for now we can do April 16th.
Okay. April 16th, 9:30 a.m., Mr. Turner. April 16th, 9:30 a.m.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day. We'll see you back then by Zoom.
Okay, you too.
All right. Bye-bye. Okay, Madam Clerk, just make sure my notations are the way that you can read them there. Kari Parker, good morning. Calling ticket number P1862260, City versus Kari Parker. Mr. Parker, please unmute and state your name.
Kari Parker.
Thank you. Your sole charge is here for insurance and expired driver's license. We have verified the validity of your license with the Secretary of State, and Defense Counsel has reviewed your valid insurance documents. On that basis, they have made a motion to dismiss both of these tickets for compliance, which I am happy to do. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, we need. Do you know which attorney you were speaking to, Ms. Tansil?
No, I can't recall. His name started with an A, I think Ali or something
Mr. Barrow,
like that.
then. Okay, Attorney Barrow, that's fine. I'm just gonna get him back out. So we can go through the factual basis with you, okay?
Sure.
Tiara Tresvant, oh, we did her SOS, but she has other paper tickets, right?
Yes, that's
Registered. Hi, Attorney Barrow. So I've got Ms. Tansel here. We're in the middle of her plea, but she's got a violation of parental responsibility. I'm wondering if you could go through the factual basis with her. She says her daughter was out after curfew, I guess.
that is correct. So you want me to do the voir dire, Judge?
Yeah, let me just quickly call it again, just so the record is clear. Where did it go? Ticket number SP 170-78861, City versus Kiara Tansel. As I stated, we've already sworn Ms. Tansel, as well as confirmed that she was advised of her rights and wishes to plead. But we were at the point of the factual basis. Time and our date and location on this being January 6, 2026 at Minnick and Constance in the city of Detroit. Go ahead, Attorney Barrow.
Ms. Tanzo, on that date and time, was your child male or female in the city of Detroit?
Female.
Okay, so was your daughter in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Okay, was she at the age of 15 or younger, or 15 and older? Or between the ages of 15 and 17, I apologize.
She was 17.
17 years old, okay. Was she out in the city of Detroit between the time of 11 p.m. and 6 a.m.?
I guess she was, because she got picked up by the cops, but I was unaware of that.
Okay, so is it safe and accurate to say that she was out after 11 p.m. before the hours of 6 a.m.?
Yeah.
Okay, and were you aware that there was a city of Detroit curfew that had prohibited her from being out at that time without a parent or guardian?
Yeah, I know it's a curfew, yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor?
Thank you, Attorney Barrows. You're satisfied with the factual basis. I'm satisfied as well. Ms. Tansel, the fine is $190. You're on a 3-month delayed sentence, so you've got 3 months to get it paid. If you don't get it paid or you pick up another ticket like this, then you have to come back and see me in 90 days, which would be June the 22nd at 8:30 a.m. But as long as it's been paid and you don't pick up any similar tickets, you don't have to come back. We'll just pull it up on that date and dismiss it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day. Bye-bye. All right, looks like DJ Taylor's gonna be, it's not time yet, no. Oh, he came out too, but.
Yeah, I chatted.
Okay, great, thanks.
30 minutes after.
All right, so what we'll do. All right, DeAndre Pinkins, good morning. What time are you scheduled for court today, please?
9:30.
Thank you. Here for trial.
9:15.
Still no assigned counsel. Have you spoken with an attorney at all outside of court, Mr. Pinkins?
No, ma'am. No one had reached out or emailed me.
Thank you. You're not the only one today. That's a bit of an issue today. We're trying to handle it. Thank you. Go into room 8. Please hit join. Thank you. On the Samsung, please give me a name. On the Samsung device, give me a name or you will be removed from the session. Officer Bradley, good morning. Please unmute. Which case are you here for?
Hello. I am here for Mr. Taylor, DJ, for minor in possession of tobacco.
Right. I am going to go ahead and send you to breakout room number 1 so you can meet with the city attorney. Mr. Taylor is here.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. Attorney Barton may not realize that he also has these cases down in the upper rooms. I may start trying to move people up. Okay. Hey, Tompkins.
Hello.
Okay, officer, I need to know your name and which case you're here on, please.
Yes, ma'am. Officer Andre Pierce with the 8th Precinct.
Hold on,
I'm
hold
here.
on. Andre, what's the last name? Your last name, officer?
Pierce, Pierce.
Thank you. And you're here on which case?
Hold on. Do you mind if I pull up the case number on my phone really fast? Is that okay?
Yeah, I just need the name. I don't need the number. I just need a name.
Does DJ Taylor?
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
He is here. I'll put you in breakout room number 1 so you can meet with city attorney. Attorney Barton, I'm just making sure you know there's a large gap in the breakout room, so you may have some up in the higher numbers.
Okay.
Okay, just making sure you knew that. Officer Pierce, you can go to room 1. City attorney will come see you there. May I have the file on Brittany Taylor, please? Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Taylor. I have ticket number P133 152, City versus Brittany Taylor. You are charged with no insurance. Looks like defense counsel has reviewed your valid insurance documents and made a motion to dismiss your ticket on that basis, which I am happy to grant. Your ticket is dismissed. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. I'm sorry, Pretty Barton. I don't know, I was talking too fast. So what I was trying to say is I realized there's a gap between rooms 8 and then they start up again at 20. So I just wanted to make sure you knew there were new people in both.
Gotcha. Okay, will
Okay.
do, Your Honor. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
All right.
I don't know what I'm going to do about these. I'm going to have to call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people here with no appointed counsel. Mr. Porterfield, you're back out of the room. Did they ask you to come out here and do something?
No, I was free to leave. I apologize.
Oh, you're leaving? You've given the gate to come back?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Have a great day. Kim, what's our number to dial out now?
7
Thank
1.
you.
Yeah, they do, but like today.
Can you mute us, please? you want. I don't have this Tommy Lee Thomas yet. Okay, here we go. Hopefully Miss Tresvant will be ready in a moment. Todd. Oh, there's a lot there. Okay, Miss Tresvant, we've got her SOS. She just needs insurance registration. And let's see, on DJ Taylor, are we waiting for any more officers there? Hmm. Yep. Yeah, if all the officers are here, that's what I was asking. They're all here?
Yeah, I think it was just too long.
Morning, Judge.
Hey, Attorney Torres, how you doing?
Good. I'm on OZ Pie.
What's the last name? Pye?
Yes, PYE.
First name is Posey.
OZ with the O.
Okay. All right. Or is that just a civil, or are you expecting person to come?
It's a misdemeanor. My client should be here, and so I don't know if the officer appeared or not.
Yeah, I don't believe I have.
Thank you.
I don't have your client here just yet, Mr. Petway. Just a moment, please. I don't have your client here yet, Mr. Torres.
Okay,
I'll go ahead and
I'll tell him to log in right now.
yep. Co-host, and then I'll put you in room 2. City attorney's on her way back. She'll talk to you in room 2.
Thanks, Judge.
All right, Mr. Petway, we're getting you a bench trial too. All right, calling ticket number P1863368. This is City versus Samuel Petway. Mr. Petway, state your name for the record, please.
Samuel Lee Petway Jr.
Thank you. We're going to go ahead and set this for a bench trial. Can we use the regular date, Madam Clerk? That trial date is going to be April 14th at 9:30 a.m.
April, say that one more time.
April 14th.
At 9 a.m.
Yep.
Is there a courtroom?
Did we say 9:30? 9:30 a.m. please. You can log in by Zoom like this, or if you're not, but you must have video capability when you come by Zoom for trial. Otherwise, you can come in person on that date.
Okay, where will I come to in person? What courtroom?
Room 437.
Say that one more time, Miss, ma'am.
437.
That's courtroom 4437. Thank you, ma'am.
No. Courtroom 437.
Oh, 437. I got it.
Yes. Okay. Have a great day. Thank you.
Hey, you too. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, I think it was too, because I kept muting him and then I wasn't hearing anything. So we got all of these 915s. I don't have an attorney. And what's going on with Tiara Tresvant? She's just sitting in a meeting. Let's get her out. I'm just going to try to bring her out because I don't know what's going on. Oh, he's just moving. Ms. Tresvant?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm so sorry. You need to go back to your breakout room. The attorney is there looking for you. Can you see if you can look at your device and says go back to room or something like that?
It says join breakout room.
Yep, go ahead and join the breakout room. He's waiting for you.
Okay.
Thank you. OZ Pie, good morning. Mr. Pie, good morning.
Good morning.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room. Your attorney is here. He's waiting to speak with the city attorney, but we'll get you into breakout room, send you to room 9, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. I think I'm going to have to bring all these 915s out. All right. Sorry, guys. Thanks for waiting. You guys are part of a group of 5 or 6, just bringing everybody out who was scheduled for 9:15. I'm just trying to get all of you out here at the same time. Got one more waiting on Mr. Pizmenti. All right. Good morning again. You guys were all scheduled for 9:15 a.m. this morning. And I did that because you had the kind of cases where counsel should be appointed to you so that you have your own dedicated attorney. The assigned counsel system is switching over to a new technology system of some sort. And so your cases should have been assigned out by now, but it appears that they have not been. I don't want to keep you waiting any longer. So what I'm going to do is try to give you a date to come back. Okay. Otherwise, they said they could send someone, but I don't know how long it will be. So if you want to wait, you're welcome to wait here and see how this develops. It's something I have no control over, so we'll just be waiting. Otherwise, I can give you a date to come back. So if you'd wish to wait and see if you can get this done today, go ahead, raise your hand. I'll put you back in the breakout room and you can wait and see if somebody shows up. If not, then we'll give you a date in a couple of weeks to come back so that we can be sure that the counsel has been assigned to you. Okay?
Okay.
All right. All right. Mr. Pizmenti, I don't know if you heard all that, but what I said was you guys who are scheduled for 9:15 are scheduled because we determined that you needed to have dedicated counsel appointed to you. Because they're switching over systems, that has not been done yet. So I need to give you dates to return.
Okay, no, I didn't hear that. Okay. I got another call. Okay, so, yep, okay,
Right.
give me a
So
date.
you're going to get your dates to come back. Madam Clerk, can we do 2 weeks out? Yes. All right. So if we go out 2 weeks, that puts us where? April 7th. All right. So I'd like you all to return April 7th at 9:15. Do we have a list of these folks, Madam Clerk, in case they call? Make a phone.
Yes.
All right. We're just getting all your names down. Again, we did get your contact information the last time you were here. And so the attorney should be reaching out that way, either by phone or by text. Okay. Or by email. I'm sorry, by phone or by email.
Okay.
All right. And then that date again, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. April 7th.
Okay. April 7th at 9:15 a.m. If anyone has a conflict with that, can't make it on April 7th at 9:15, you can go ahead and let me know. Otherwise, you can feel free to disconnect and log back in on April the 7th.
Thank you. Your Honor.
All right. Thank you all for your patience with this. Thanks so much.
Bye. Thank you.
All right. Have a great day. Bye-bye. All right, Cleophas Pie, good morning.
Good morning.
Which, do you know what time you were scheduled to be here today?
At 8.
30, and he was supposed to be here yesterday, so I put him for today.
Okay.
So I'm looking for this call for yesterday.
All right, Mr. Pye, you're gonna have to get more responsible with your court stuff. You were supposed to be here yesterday and you're late if you thought you were supposed to be here today. It's okay, we'll get it worked out. All right.
I'm sorry.
But in the future, make sure you're keeping up with these things, please.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get you into a breakout room so you can meet with an attorney. There's a little bit of a wait this morning because we have a lot of cases, but they'll be there with you, okay?
Okay.
All right. They got rid of Tiara. Okay, Mr. Pye. I'm going to put you in room 4. Please hit join.
Okay.
An attorney will be there to see you. Oh, something happened. We need to make a note to follow up with them. Was it Tiana? Not Tiana Taylor. Tiara Taylor? Remember she came out and I told her to go back in? I don't know. I know you're doing a billion things already. She was here, then she came out here. Was that her name? Yeah, that's her name, yeah. Because I just need to know if she had registration and insurance, her license was valid, but maybe she didn't and she needs to come back. I just want to make sure we remember to ask Attorney Barrow. Okay, we're gonna have a plea on Price, on Gerard Price. That's about ready for what we're doing with Kim R. Todd. And she's in with the officers. Can I have the file on Gerard Price, please? Thank you. Interesting that we don't. Have we had an animal control officer? I thought we did have an animal control check-in earlier.
Not today.
No. Pierce, Bradley, Officer Turner. We'll bring Officer Turner out and let him go as well. All right, Gerard Price, good morning. Need you to unmute and start your camera, please. Good morning again, Mr. Price. Okay, looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to one count of says animal cruelty, one count of failure to vaccinate. Those are both under a 12-month delayed sentence, meaning they'll be dismissed if you comply for 12 months, don't get any similar tickets, get your fine paid. Then you've got one count of failure to display a valid license, one count of improper license. Anything else on the dockets would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Your ticket number V131551 and all other related matters on today's docket, 2 City versus Gerard Price. Mr. Price, please state your name for the record.
Gerard Price.
Thank you. And Mr. Price, I just stated the terms of the plea. You are familiar with the terms that I just stated and you intend to avail yourself of that offer?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, I was advised.
And you understand that you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. All right, let's begin with ticket ending in 050. The date range is between July 27th of 2023 and September 13th of 2023 in the city of Detroit, and occurring at an address on Carey Street. Is it true that you harbored an unvaccinated animal at the time at that location?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it also true that in that date range and location in the city of Detroit, they put animal cruelty, but the specific allegation is that you chained the dog outside without shelter. Is that true?
Yes.
All right. Thank you. Now as to your other ticket, your failure to display an improper plate. That's on ticket ending in 438. Is it true, sir, that on December 20th of 2022, in the area of Outer Drive and Charest in the city of Detroit, that you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Is it also true, sir, that you had improper plates on the vehicle due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, I'm getting ready to give you your fines. Please understand that on the animal tickets, you're on a 12-month delayed sentence. So you have 12 months to pay those tickets.
Yes,
On your
ma'am.
other one, your failure to display and your improper plates, I'm going to give you 60 days to pay. However, you can get a longer time to pay by going to see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse and giving them a down payment to get on a payment plan. As long as you get it paid or get on a payment plan within the 60 days on this failure to display an improper plate, the deal stays in place there. The failure to display fine is $190. The improper plate fine is $100. Okay.
Okay.
And on your animal cruelty or your animal tickets, the failure to vaccinate and the failure to provide adequate shelter, those are each going to be $190. And because those are on a 12-month delay, you're going to have 12 months to get those paid off. You're going to need to get them paid off in order to keep the deal, which is that they will be dismissed at the end of the 12-month term as long as they're paid and you don't get any similar tickets. If, however, you do get another ticket like this, or you don't get it paid in the 12 months, you'll need to come back and see me on March 24th of next year, March 24th of 2027. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now I'm going to tell you something about animal control. These are old tickets, so I don't know if it pertains to you. They will come back. They will come back today. They will come back tomorrow. They will come back the next day, and they will keep issuing more tickets. So if you are housing animals at this time, please make sure you are doing so properly, because you are now on a delayed sentence. And if you pick up more of these animal tickets, it's going to interfere with your delayed sentence. All right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Very good. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I need stickies. Do you have any Post-its down there? Need to get some more all out. Attorney Torres?
We're ready, Judge, whenever you are.
All right, we'll need to bring your client out. One moment.
Thank you.
I
No
put
police
cozy
officer.
pie, but it's actually Ozy pie.
Yeah, I saw that.
All right,
Okay.
thank you.
It's cold
Hey, Attorney
out
Saru.
here, Judge.
Get Mr. Ozy pie out here. And then I've got, good morning, Attorney Soroki.
Good morning, Judge. I was sent here by Judge Carter to
Okay.
take care of the 4 cases.
All right, so
And
actually we had 5.
5.
I
Okay.
gave them a return date in 2 weeks. So I don't know if you want to talk to Ms. Carter and just see if she wants you to come back on all of them. We have a list. So give me just a minute. We'll try to figure that out.
Okay, you're
Okay.
fine.
All right.
I'll just hang out
If you
here.
get,
That's
yeah,
good.
give me 2 seconds. Take care of these
Take
2
your
matters and we'll
time.
get to yours.
Take your time.
Thank you. All right. Ticket number P1842961, City versus Ozy Henry Pie. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Peter Torres. My P number 68242. I represent Mr. Pye. He's here on Zoom.
Thank you, Mr. Pye. Please state your name for the record.
Ozy Henry Pye the fourth.
Thank you. Attorney Torres.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm asking the matter be dismissed. The complainant has failed to appear. This is a bench trial date.
Thank you. Who are we expecting on this?
It's officer. I don't have the last name offhand.
Okay, thank you. I'm just doing a quick check because we need to check. I need to be able to check the sick list. So looks like we have Officer Tompkins. Can you please check for Officer Al-Zayati or Cavalos on the sick list?
How do you, can you say the last one?
Yep. The first one is Al-Zayati, Alzayadi. The other one is Cavalos, Kavalos. Okay, thank you. All right. Officers are not on the sick list. The officers have not contacted the court as to the reason for non-appearance. Attorney Torres, your motion to dismiss without prejudice is granted at this time. The tickets are dismissed. As you know, they could be refiled at a later date, at which point we'd come back and start over again. But as for now, they're all dismissed for the officer's failure to appear.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too. All right, now I've got Mr. Todd, and then we're going to go through, and we need to go through those cases with Mr. Soroki. I don't know if you have a list, Madam Clerk, but we'll need to give him the names and contact information. I'll be with you just a minute, Attorney Pericano. I'm going to give you have co-host already? Nope. Okay, officers are here. Attorney Horn is in room 2, so she can speak with you there if you haven't spoken with her already.
I'll go there. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, good morning, Mr. Todd. Tickets number P1203781 and all other related matters on today's docket, 2 City versus Kamar Todd. Mr. Todd, please state your name for the record.
Kamar Todd.
Thank you. Mr. Todd, it looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license. All other cases would be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please raise your right hand, swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Todd. Is it true that on May 25th of 2021 in the area of East 7 Mile and Gable Street, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days. Within that 60 days, you must pay it in full or see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse for a longer term payment plan. You may start that payment plan by giving them at least a down payment. Okay.
Is it a way I can pay online?
Can pay online. Please don't try to do it today. Give us till tomorrow or Thursday even. Got lots of cases going right now to update the system. You can pay online through the court's website by simply putting in your name where it says look up a case or balance. Okay.
Okay.
Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Okay, you too. You have a good day.
All right. Thank you. Thanks. All right. Attorney Soroki.
What I can do is make a copy of the appointment sheets out of those files and email them to them, if that would be easy.
Okay. Attorney Soroki, Madam Clerk is going to copy the assignment sheets out of the file and send them to you, so you'll have contact information on all the people who were here today. They're scheduled to come back April the 7th in 2 weeks. Does that work for you? Oh, he's busy now. On Cleophas Pie, they're waiting for an offer. Let's see what's going on there. Oh, they're talking to her, so they'll have it in a minute. Okay. That DJ Taylor, I'm going to bring, oh, that officer was released. Okay, good. All right, looks like we only have 2 cases left. Hey, Attorney Barton. Hello, does that mean you're all done, Attorney Barton, or are you doing the Cleophas Pie matter?
I believe I'm all done. There's nobody else in the breakout room, right?
Nope, we're all done except for rooms 3, which is retained, and 4.
Yep.
So if you're not on 4, okay, that's fine, Attorney
I
Soroki.
think I am. I think I am, Your Honor.
Okay, please just email Madam Clerk anyone that you release with new dates, and we're good to go.
All right. You guys have a great weekend if I
Always
don't
a
see you, okay?
pleasure. Yep, have a
Always.
wonderful weekend.
Will do. Madam Clerk, I'm sorry. Matter of fact, you emailed me the offers, so I can just reply to your email, right?
Yeah.
I think you emailed me the offers. Yes. Okay. All right. You guys have a wonderful weekend.
Thank you. We gave them a return date of April 7th, correct? At 9:15. Okay, so now we're really just waiting on Cleophas Pie and DJ Taylor. Where's Pie? The signature. Yep. Yes, sir. All right, just give me 1 minute. Okay, looks like we're ready on Mr. Pie.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Pye, we're going to take your plea. I'll need you to turn your camera on, please. Calling tickets numbered X4656915 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Cleophas Pie. Counsel.
Morning, Your Honor. Ali Barrow appearing on behalf of Mr. Pye. Mr. Pye, please remove your hoodie and your beanie and state your full and complete name for the record, sir.
Cleophas James Pye.
Thank you. Your Honor, I have an offer to Mr. Pye. He would plead guilty to 2 counts of failure to display, and he will plead responsible to limited access 6 to 10 speeding.
Thank you. All other matters being dismissed?
Yes, Judge. Did you want me to assign him to specific case numbers, Judge?
No, that's okay. Unless they're under the terms of the plea.
No. Just wanted to, yeah, whatever's easier for the court is all.
I just try to find places where I can group them.
Sure.
But I actually don't. Oh, I can do that one. Okay, hold on. All right, and we'll use this one for. No. Okay, Mr. Pye, 2 counts of failure to display, 1 count of 1 to 5 over, 6 to 10 over limited access. Is that consistent with your understanding? Everything else being dismissed?
Yes.
All right. Anybody promise you anything else get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
The counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth?
I do.
Sir, is it true that on June 13th of 2025 in the area of Joy Road in Evergreen in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Thank you. Is it also true that you were operating a vehicle on February 15th of 2026 in the city of Detroit, area of eastbound I-96 in Livernois? At that time, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, that's true.
And you're also admitting to going at least 6 to 10 miles per hour over the posted speed limit on the freeway on that date and location. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Here are your fines. On the first failure to display, it's $190. On your second failure to display, that one's $190. And then on your 6 to 10 over limited access, that one's $135. So $190, $190, and $135. Okay. You must do one of 2 things within the next 60 days to keep this deal alive. And we are dismissing a number of tickets for you. So you want to do that. In the next 60 days, get them paid in full. Don't try to do it today, though. Give us a couple days to get everything updated in the system. Get them paid in full within the 60 days. Or if you cannot do that, go see the cashiers on the first floor. They can put you on a payment plan, but they are going to want a down payment, and you have to at least give them that down payment within the 60 days to keep your deal alive. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a wonderful day. Good job getting all these taken care of.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
But
all right, Attorney Barrow, you can simply send whatever you have to Madam Clerk. Not sure who I have coming in here on the iPhone.
Yes, Judge, I can do that.
All right. Let me
Is
just
that
see
it,
who
Judge?
this. Give me 1 second. It may be, I may have an easy one that you can deal with. There's an
Sure.
iPhone coming in now. I don't know why. Good morning. Who's on the iPhone, please? What is that?
Not connected to audio.
Oh.
No.
Please unmute on the iPhone. I need a name or I have to remove you from the session. You must unmute and give me a name or I have to remove you from the session. What is your name, please? Quickly.
Princess Thomas.
All right, Ms. Thomas, what time were you scheduled for court today?
For my tickets, driver tickets.
What time were you supposed to be in court today?
It said 9:50.
8:30
I believe that's
is what I have.
for.
Mr. Barrow, I have Princess Thomas charged with no insurance and allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. The offer is to dismiss the no insurance and 3-month delayed on the allowing. Would you mind going to discuss that with her, please?
Of course, Judge.
Thank you. I'm going to put you in room 5. Please go there. The attorney will come speak to you.
Okay.
Go ahead and hit join, Ms. Thomas. Okay, she's in talking to the officers on the DJ Taylor case or DAJ Taylor, so should have some movement on that one in a minute. Can you run an SOS on Princess Thomas, please? Although I don't know why. But can we get an SOS on her, please? Let me know what you get back. Thank you. Attorney Pernicano, are we ready on your matter?
Yes, Your Honor, we are ready.
Thank you. And what are we doing? Are we pleading or trial?
Plea resolution.
Thank you. Just getting the officers out.
Hello?
Yep, we'll be right with you. Please hold on just a moment.
Oh, okay. I was still in the breakout room before I got pulled.
I'm bringing you guys out because it looks like we're ready for a plea.
Okay. All
Attorney,
right. Sounds good.
ready on the DAJ Taylor matter?
I'm
Yes.
sorry.
The officers, did you still want to speak with Mr. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm not sure what's happening.
Well,
Sorry, I brought you guys out because Attorney Pernicano came out and said we had a resolution by plea.
Okay.
Mr. Taylor. So I pulled you guys out to see if we are in fact ready. Are we ready?
Yeah.
We are ready.
I'm ready.
Okay. All right. So I have tickets numbered P1798117, P1827354. Both of these are City versus DAJ Taylor. Ms. Horn, your appearance, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. Officer Bradley, would you please state your name and badge number for the record?
Yes, my name is Officer Bradley, badge number 1214.
And Officer Pierce, would you please state your name and badge number for the record?
Yes, ma'am. It's going to be Officer Andre Pierce, badge number 1574.
Thank you. Attorney Pernicano.
Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Mr. Taylor. Mr. Taylor, state your full and complete name for the record, please.
DAJ Leo Taylor.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Attorney,
Your Honor, we do have a resolution today. Date and time set for bench trial. Officers appeared and they do recall. My client is going to be pleading guilty to the minor in possession of tobacco and the trespassing, both requested to be taken under 6-month delayed sentences.
Okay.
And Your Honor, just as a caveat, as I was speaking with the officers in the breakout room for Mr. DJ Taylor, it's my understanding he's a good young man. And I believe he is, are you 19 now?
No, I'm still 18. I'm still 18.
Oh, I thought, okay, yeah, I didn't look at it. I was trying to figure out the people will extend the opportunity to do the HIDA program, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, thank you.
And
All
Mr.
right.
Taylor, that just means it'll get wiped off your record.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Taylor, you're young. I hope you're not starting up this tobacco stuff. It's a hard habit to kick. So don't start so early. It's, we know it kills us. All right. So you heard the offer and you are wishing to avail yourself of the 6-month delay, also applying HIDA to both of these charges, both the trespass and the minor in possession. That means it'll come off of your record. All right. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor. No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yeah, say yes or no.
Oh, yes. I apologize. Yes. I'm sorry.
That's okay. And you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth. I just need an answer.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. Yes.
Okay, thank you. All right, put your hand down. Is it true, sir, that on October 11th of 2025 in the area of Losser and Puritan that you were in possession of tobacco?
Yes.
And how old were you at that time on October 11th of 2025?
18 years old.
All right. Counsel, are you satisfied with the factual basis here, given Mr. Taylor's testimony that he was 18 years old at the time?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you. Ms. Horn, are you satisfied as well?
Yes, Your Honor, satisfied. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Taylor, is it also true that on November 10th of 2025 in the area of Gloucester and McNichol that you were trespassing? Can somebody help me with Officer Pierce? Where was Mr. Taylor trespassing?
He was at the address of 16810 Lobster Street in the apartment building. Him and 7 other individuals were in room 115, and nobody was supposed to have access to that room at that time.
All right. Thank you. Mr. Taylor, is all of that true?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
I'm satisfied with the factual basis, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Ms. Horn?
People are also satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. On each of these, you have a $190 fine. You have 6 months to get them paid. As long as you do that, it's going to come off your record, but you cannot get any other tickets like this.
Of course.
All right. Or it will interfere with your delayed sentence. If you pick up another ticket like this, or if you can't get it paid off in the 6 months, then you're going to come back and see me on September 21st at 8:30 in the morning so we can try to get you back on track. Okay? All right. But you've got 6 months to get them paid. As long as you do that, you don't have to come back to court. We'll pull it up and dismiss it in the 6 months. But if you need to come back and see me because you've gotten another ticket or you didn't get it paid off, you can do that on
Okay.
September 21st. All right. Have a great day, Mr. Taylor. Thank you, officers, for your appearance.
Thank
Ms.
you.
Horn, thank you, Attorney Pernicano. I know Attorney Barrow is looking for you, Ms. Horn.
Yes.
Before,
Sorry. Oh,
I was trying to get
Mr.
Mr.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah,
What do you
I
need?
think Officer Bradley wanted to give him some words of encouragement. So
I'm so sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. He logged off. So sorry about that.
Okay.
It's all
Okay. You good? Okay. Thank you.
Miss Horn.
Have a good day, everyone.
Yeah.
Thank you, you too.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
You too.
Princess Thomas, valid license, valid
on one
insurance, valid registration as well.
How to work the chat feature. The charge was an allowing on her. You offered a 3-month delay. I think he's asking if that can be revised given the validity of her license with the Secretary of State.
And Judge, sorry, I don't mean to cut off. I just don't see that offer on my docket. It looks like she had several tickets, Judge. Maybe I have a different one.
The only one I have in front of me is this one with allowing and no insurance. Can we check that, please, Madam Clerk, on Princess Thomas?
Yeah, I have I think maybe mine's updated, but it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 tickets.
Tickets though. To be here.
Oh, she's on the docket in 2 different areas.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
And she has 2 files. Let's confirm the date of birth, please. Okay, they're both hers. Yep. So she's got a number going at 8:30. So, yep, Ms. Horn, we need you to look at this because she's listed on the 8:30 on the first page for no insurance and allowing. You offered a 3-month delay, dismiss the no insurance. Then she's also on the second page at 8:30. Princess, it looks like Danielle Thomas. She's got registration, insurance, registration, etc. But she has all valid documents now. So I think he's asking if you would take a look at those all together. And I'll be waiting for you guys to figure that out. You guys want to go back into a breakout room?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, they're still open. So you both have co-hosts.
Oh, they have her name backwards.
One is using the middle name and the other isn't. Attorney Barrow, I think Ms. Horn is in room 2 for you. And that's our last one. Oh boy. But the weird thing is we don't have another file on her, do we? Because then she also, well, we just have the 2 because when she came, she indicated that it was at a completely different time. So now I'm just double checking all of this.
Princess Thomas as her last name. They had Princess as her last name.
Oh,
So
that's why it did it 2 different ways.
Separate files.
Gotcha. Gotcha. I would have had her come back tomorrow if I knew she had so many tickets for him to deal with. But it's okay. There's quite a few of these allowing, which is interesting. Hey, it's going on and on. Okay, he's discussing the offer with her, and then all right, Miss Horn.
I was trying to loosen my camera. All right.
Oh, I'm so sorry that he left before the officer could speak to him. I did not hear that.
He really just to encourage him, but he was fine. Because he's so young, and I guess he's a pretty good kid, and I believe, he had mentioned to the officer something about DPD. So.
Oh, maybe wanting to join at some point or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, this one will come off.
Okay.
All right, we've got 2 counts of improper plates on Ms. Thomas.
Yes,
Dismissal of
Judge.
everything else? Okay.
Yes.
All right, that's quite a good deal there, Ms. Thomas. Okay, let's get your tickets called. Calling P1125297 and all other related matters on today's docket related to Princess Danielle Thomas or Thomas Princess, because we discovered that they were listed 2 different ways, and that's what happened. All right, that's why they ended up in 2 different areas on the docket. All right, Ms. Thomas, please state your name for the record.
Princess Thomas.
Thank you. Also noting for the record that the tickets were in fact issued in the correct name. The files were just mislabeled. Okay, Ms. Thomas and Attorney Barrow, your appearance, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Ali Barrow, P85907, appearing on behalf of Ms. Thomas.
Thank you. Ms. Horn, did you wish to place an appearance on the record?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
Thank you. Ms. Thomas, it looks like you'll be pleading guilty to 2 counts of improper plates. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you turn your camera on for me, please? Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Either Attorney Barrow or Attorney Horn, are there specific tickets that we're associating these with, or? No? Okay.
And no, Your Honor, thank you.
Not that I'm aware of, Judge, no.
All right, thank you. Then if it's okay, I'll take both from ticket ending in 5297, as there's a registration and insurance charge on that ticket. Ms. Thomas, raise your right hand, swear affirm everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You can put your hand down. Is it true, ma'am, that on October 19th of 2020 in the area of East 7 Mile and Shaner, that you had improper plates on your vehicle due to a lack of registration?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it also true that your plates were not proper at that time due to a lack of insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. On the first one, your fine is going to be $190. On the second one, because it's on the same ticket, I can reduce it to $100. I'm giving you 60 days to do one of two things, and that is get them paid in full or see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse here, and they can put you on a longer term payment plan if you need one. They will just ask you for a down payment. As long as you make that down payment within the 60 days, this deal will remain in place. Everything else for the record is dismissed. All right?
Okay. That's $290.
Yes, ma'am, $290.
Okay. Thank you so
All
much,
right.
ma'am.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
Have a blessed day too.
All right. Thank you, counsel.
Thank you, Judge. I
Please just
forgot
email
how fun it
Madam
was to be in here.
that
I
you,
swear.
yep, thank you. Any dates that you gave out, please just send to Madam Clerk,
Yes.
Attorney.
I'm gonna
All right.
email him right
Have
now.
a full day.
You as well. Bye-bye, Judge.
Okay,
Stay
you too.
warm.
Bye,
It's
everybody.
freezing.
Okay.
Bye.
So
Miss
much.
Miller.
Have a great day. Ms. Pillow, same to you. Thank you for your work today. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks, Judge. You too. Bye.
All right. See you later. Bye-bye.